Primary 3 Math Second Term 2021. We have Chapter 3, Lesson 81 and 82. Now let's go to our aims of this lesson. We have to recognize how to represent fractions on number line, how to read, draw, and represent the fraction story problems on number line. Recognize the relation between number line parts with fractions denominator. Okay, write your fraction story problem and solve it using the number line. We will solve various problems on it. Now let's go to our lesson keywords. We have unit fractions, number line, fraction denominators, and fraction story problem, writing fraction story problem. The needed tools we have booklet, pencil, ruler, and notebook. Now let's go to engage to our lessons. Can you present unit fractions, which is 1 over number, on number line? We have number line and want to present unit fractions on it, like half, third, quarter, and so on. If you can, how you can do it? Let's go to know how you can do it. Here, watch this video about representing fractions on number line, then back to work. Scan this QR code, then back to work. To represent the fraction, on number line, we have to notice, then complete. We have here whole one. Whole one means the whole fraction from 0 up to 1. Then we will color all of these strip. We have this fraction strip and we color all of it. Next one we have halves. Halves means half 2 parts. Yes, half we have 1 in numerator and 2 in denominator. Then we will we distribute this number line in 2 parts. 2 equal parts as we distribute this fraction strip. Half and a half. 2 equal parts, each part is a half. Now in our number line we will distribute it in 2 parts. The first part is called a half, and this one we will fill, the whole one is called 2 halves. 2 halves. Next one we have thirds. How many parts? As we know before, third means 1 in numerator and 3 in denominator. Then we will have 3 parts. 3 parts. And the first part is third, second part third, and third part is a third. We have in our fraction strip 3 equal parts. Each part is a third. Now in our number line we distribute it in 3 equal parts. In each part it will be the first part third, second part will be 2 thirds, and third part which is 1 whole will be 3 thirds. Now here in this one we have no name and no parts, but we can distribute it from our fraction strip. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. Then it will be fourths, because fourth has 1 in numerator and 4 in denominator. It will be fourths. And how many parts? 4 parts. First part, second part, third part, and the fourth part. This part in our number line will be fourths. Second part in number line will be 2 fourths. This part is called 3 fourths. And the last one, which is 1 whole, the whole number, which is 4 fourths. The same in the next exercise. We have no name and no parts. We have here our fraction strip and our number line. Our fraction strip distributed in how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. 5 means, fifths. 1 in numerator and 5 in denominator. It will be fifths. And how many parts? 5 parts. And the first fraction in number line, it will be fifths. Second one will be 2 fifths, 3 fifths, 4 fifths, and the whole one it will be 5 fifths. Next one, we have the name and no ports. Let's count how many ports. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ports. Then we will write down here, yes, 6 ports. In our fraction strip, we have distributed in 6 equal ports. Then in our number line, it will be 6's, 2 6's, 3 6's, 4 6's, 5 6's, and the whole one will be, yes, 6 6's. Okay, now let's go to evaluate our work. We need to pause our video like this. Then play our video to show if you do right or wrong. Let's go to evaluate our work. Here we have our number line and we have here 8. Just draw your fraction strip and divide it in how many parts? 8 means 1 over 8. 1 in numerator and 8 in denominator. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. 8 equal parts. Then we have here 8 parts. In number line, it will be, the first part will be 8s, 2 8s, 3 8s, 4 8s, 5 8s, 6 8s, 7 8s, and the whole strip, our whole number line will be called 8 8s. Awesome. Good job. Thank you. Let's go to a new type of exercises, which is story problems representing fractions on number line. We need to read it carefully. Farida had a chocolate bar like this. She wants to give half of it to her sister. Draw number line to help her and write the fractions on it. Here we have half. We have half. Half means 1 in numerator and 2 in denominator. Then we need to distribute this fraction strip into how many parts? Yes, good job. 2 equal parts. Like this. One is called the half and second one is called the half. Now, in our number line will be distributed as we distribute in our fraction strip. It will be half and the whole fraction will be 2 halves. Now, how many parts was Farida and her sister eat all together? It will be how many parts? 2 parts. Next one. Omar had a meter of food. A meter means 1 meter, 1 meter long. He needs third of meter to make a bird nest. Third. Look at this denominator. Denominator has 3. 3 in denominator means we will distribute this number line how many parts? Draw a number line to help him. Yes, 3 parts. If you have this piece of food and we want to distribute it in 3 equal parts, third, yes, means 3 equal parts. First part is a third, second part is a third, and third part is a third. Now, this is our fraction strip. Now, let's go to our number line. In this part, it's called third, and this part is called 2/3, and the whole, yes, whole of it, it will be called 3/3. Now we help Homer to draw a number line and know how many parts he will distribute his food. Third one, in our story problems, Layla had a rock. Okay, she needs quarter of it for her project. Draw a number line to help her. We have this number line and we want to distribute this row into, yes, quarters. Quarters means how many parts, or fourths, how many parts. In our denominator, we have 4. 4. Then we will distribute this number line or this row into 4 parts. Each part is a fourth. Fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Now in this part is called fourth. This part is called 2/4, and this part is called 3/4, and the last one, which is called the whole one, yes, 4/4. Then we helped her to distribute this number line into forces. She needs just this piece to make her project. Now let's go to the next one. Number 4. Fatin had a long necklace. Okay, she needs to cut fifths of it to make it. Okay, we have this necklace and we want to cut fifths. Fifths. If we look at the denominator, we have 5. Then we will distribute this necklace into 5 equal parts. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Each part is a fifth. A fifth. Okay, as we learned before. Now let's go to our number line. In this part is called fifths. This part is called 2/5, and this part is called 3/5. This part is called 4/5, and the whole necklace, whole one, is called 5/5. Now we helped her to distribute this necklace into 5 equal parts. She needs just this fifth to make her necklace. Here, number 5. Muhammad bought 1 meter of electric wire to fix his electric lamps. This wire has 1 millimeter length from 0 to 1 on number line. He cut the wire into 4 equal pieces. Now we have the number of pieces, equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. If he used 1 piece to fix 1 electric lamp, this piece for fix 1 electric lamp. How many electric lamps can he fix using this wire? Draw a number line and show the fraction. If 1 piece will fix 1 electric lamp, then these pieces will fix how many lamps? If we put on our fraction number line, force, 2 forces, 3 forces, and the whole wire will be 4 forces. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 lamps. Then number of lamps he can fix using this wire is 4 lamps. Let's go to next one, number 6. Rasha bought 1 meter of pink sticker to decorate her room. She divides the sticker into 8 equal parts. She used 1 part to decorate 1 wall. How many walls can she decorate? To understand this problem, we need first to draw our number line, then show what she did. To draw our number line, we need to use our pencil and ruler. Use your ruler. You must use your ruler. Then draw this number line of any length. Then put our arrow like this and arrow like this. Okay, then label this number line as 0 and 1. Then we have our number line. Now let's go to put our fraction strip on it, which is a pink sticker like this. Okay, to distribute this pink sticker, divided into 8 equal parts. 8 equal parts like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then each part is called what? Yes, 8s. Let's go to our number line and call it like our fraction strip, 8s. 2 8s, 3 8s, 4 8s, 5 8s, 6 8s, 7 8s, and the whole sticker will be whole one 8 8s. Okay, now how many walls can she decorate? If we distribute this pink sticker into 8 equal parts, and the whole fraction will be how many? 8 8s, and it will be 8 walls. She can decorate 8 walls. Good job. Next one. Amir is planting carrots in his 1 meter long rectangular plant box. He divides the plant box into equal sections and don't know how many sections, but I know that in each one of 1/7, yes, meter in length. Sevenths, make a note. Okay, if he planted one seed in each section, how many seeds can he plant? Now let's go first to draw our number line, then do what we will do. Okay, use your pencil and ruler to draw. After we finished our number line, draw our fraction strip, yes, above it. Okay, like this is a box, plant box. Okay, then we will need to divide the plant box in equal sections. How many sections? Look at this, 7 meter in each section. Okay, 7, 1 in numerator and 7 in denominator. It will be how many parts? Yes, 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. Each part is 7. Let's go and write down on number line how many? 7s, 2 sevens, 3 sevens, 4 sevens, 5 sevens, 6 sevens, and the whole box will be 7 sevens. Okay, if he planted one seed in each section, one seed in each part, how many seeds can he plant? If we put one carrot in each part, it will be how many carrots? Yes, 7 carrots. 7 carrots. 7 whole. It will be 7 carrot seeds. Okay. Next one, number 8. For a birthday party, Rami needs to cut 1 meter of rope. Yes. Into 5 equal pieces. We have here the number of pieces, 5 equal pieces, to hang balloons up to the ceiling. Okay, like this. Draw the number line that shows how he could cut the rope. Okay, first of all, we need to use our pencil and ruler to draw our number line. You must use your ruler. Okay. After finishing drawing our number line, we need to draw our fraction strip, which is a rope. Okay, this rope we will divide it into how many equal pieces? Yes, 5 equal pieces, like this. 4, 5. Okay, then in our number line, each part is a fifth. A fifth. Because we distribute this number line and this strip into 5 equal pieces. It will be fifths, 2 fifths, 3 fifths, 4 fifths, and last one, the whole one, it will be 5 fifths. The whole row is 5 fifths. Then we help Rami to distribute this rope into 5 equal parts and show our work. Now let's go to our part of evaluation. Write your own story problem on number line. Okay, we need to use this picture, okay, to write our story problem. Use your notebook and pen to write it. Make a pause of our video, then play it to do our story problem. Here we have my story problem is: once upon a time, Sally went to school by bicycle. Okay. If the distance between her home and the school is 1 kilometer, the distance between her home and the school is 1 kilometer, and she needed to take a rest each third kilometer. Okay. How many times did Sally stop? How many times did Sally stop? Okay, then Sally had stopped how many times? Let's go first to draw our number line, like we learned before, using our pencil and ruler. Okay, then draw our fraction strip as a road. Yes, this is the road between her house and her school. Its route is 1 kilometer long. Okay, on fraction number line it will be 1. Okay, here we want to distribute it She needs to take a rest each third kilometer. Third mean 1 over 3. 1 numerator and 3 in denominator. It will be how many parts? How many equal parts? Yes, good job. 3 equal parts. And our number line, it will be called third, 2/3, and the whole road will be 3/3. Then she will stop how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times. Excellent job. Okay, thanks. Now let's go to have our conclusion, yes, of these lessons. Okay, representing fractions on number line. First, we have unit fractions like half, third, quarter, and so on. Second one, we have number line. We have to draw or represent the fractions on number line. Here we have divide number line according to fractions denominator. And the last one we have fraction story problems. Great job. Now we have our keywords of the next lesson, which is lesson, yes, 83. We have unit fractions, number line, fractions denominators, and comparing unit fractions. Thank you.